Okay, so welcome back to another video from Advanced Mobile Auto Care. Today we are doing a key on a Mitsubishi Lancer. So Casper do have one key, but because the key is damaged, particularly on the Mitsubishis, they are very brittle. Okay, so when you break, this actually snap and this will open the case since this is mat damage, and lost the chip in there. So it's got nothing. I turn the key all the way, and okay, so what we're gonna do, so this would have been considered all key lost. Well, it's a little bit better than all keys lost because he's got a little blade, the old blade that we can refer to. But yeah, so we're gonna build the remote system and get the chip synchronized with the engine and immobilize the system and get a car start. Okay, so we got the new key cutted, so we're gonna supply the flick key. Generally speaking, this is a lot stronger. Preventing the dropping and stuff. We would like last longer. Okay, so yep, that works. Now first thing, we're probably gonna program the remote. So we're gonna do mic control learning. So yes. Press lock and unlock at the same time and don't release until the alarm flashes about 5 times. Normally with these, generally speaking, about 3 times should be enough. So 1, 2, 3. And press it. And then press OK. It's complete. And now try that. Okay, so remote is done. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put about key learning. Just restart. Learning succeed. 1 for now, and let's see what happens. Just exit the manual. Okay, so that's all done. So you've got Okay, and when you put into it, let me turn my lamp on. Okay, so technically, doesn't matter what car, you should always have a spare, because otherwise, if the key is damaged, especially when you go for the road trip and stuff, or the key plate broken off, snapped off, then you could be really in trouble. So that's it for today's video, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.